In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube in incognito mode. So it's real easy to do on the actual YouTube app. It's a way for you to watch something without search results to your own user and your own email. So to go ahead and turn it on, it's really easy to do. So once you're at your YouTube homepage, you're going to see some options that you normally see on a daily basis at the very bottom, and you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right. So once you're here, you have a lot of options and things that you can go through, but right under your actual YouTube account name, what you will see is switch account, Google account, and then you can go and you'll see what you see is turn on incognito. So go ahead and click on turn on incognito, and now you can search something. So let's just search, I don't know, the first thing that comes to mind is this. And you have no bearing on search results with your own search history or recommended content. And that is how you would go about watching YouTube in incognito mode. It's untraceable, and there you have